Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this tutorial, we will show you how to install Julia language on CentOS 7 server. Commonly, Julia language is a programming language for numerical computing. Julia is as fast as C, but it doesn't forfeit the readability. Therefore, we can decrease the running time of our programs in addition to the evolution time. So let's proceed with the installation. The first step will be ensuring that your system is up to date. And then install the EPEL release. And the last step will be update. Now we can ensure that our system is up to date, and then we should install the required packages. So add this repo using the following command. Now let's install it from the updated repo package. Now the installation is complete. Now you can check the Julia version by running the following command. So it shows we have successfully installed the Julia language. So thanks for watching this tutorial for how to install Julia language on CentOS 7. For more information, we recommend you to check official JuliaLang website. Thank you.
Hey, if you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For more videos, please do visit www.linuxhelp.com and also mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for further queries.